Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, I'm already in December, November 30th. It is 5:30 right now. I'm going to see the sunrise on the other side, so I won't be able to post the recording from there. So I had to improvise with a candle because it's completely dark outside still. Now the sunrise is around 7 o'clock. Anyway, we continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Freeing Ourselves. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Sharon Green. It is hard to tell the truth, but once told, it's hard to keep it back. Whatever truth we feel compelled to withhold, no matter how unthinkable it is to imagine ourselves telling it, not to is a way of spiritually holding our breath. You can only do it for so long. Of course, the longer we keep our truth hidden, the more difficult it is to give it voice. Or so it seems, because while the pressure is building, we are running out of air. But in reality, we are never more than a heartbeat from freeing ourselves of that awful isolation, never more than a gulp in the cough from falling back into the open. All the while, the power of being hidden keeps us from the vitality of living. And so the healing value of telling the truth is on how it returns us to the pulse of what is sacred. Just as important as the respect and trust gained for telling the truth is the release of the terrible pressure that keeps us hidden and isolated. This is the embodied gift of truth, which, like breathing, keeps us alive. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. And remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix, to change about this moment. It is already good enough, just the way it is. In the same way, you are already good enough in this moment, just as you are. See if this reminder helps you open to the spaciousness of your being, to a sense of freedom, to enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. All the physical sensations, thoughts, emotions flowing through you, passing through you without struggle. Now, reflect on something that you are withholding from the world, that you are not telling anybody, maybe not even yourself. Whatever truth you feel compelled to withhold, what is it? And remembering that not telling this truth is like holding our breath spiritually. So right now, take an inhale and hold it for as long as you can, and just notice all the discomfort, all the pressure that builds with holding your breath. Of course, when you're ready, exhale. Maybe do it a couple of times. Inhale, hold your breath to the point of discomfort. And then exhale and notice what happens to your next breath. Maybe it's like a gasp for air. And now recenter yourself. Allow yourself to breathe naturally and softly once again without holding your breath. And imagine that it is your truth that you are inhaling and exhaling. Breathing your truth. How does that feel? As opposed to holding your breath, withholding your truth. And maybe you're not ready to tell it to anybody, but at least be honest about it with yourself. And maybe set an intention to take some time to inhale your truth and release it back into the world with just your exhale as you go through your day. How does this intention feel like? And now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness for yourself with gratitude for being here, for being open to doing this hard exercise. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I allow myself to breathe my truth. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection and continue with this exercise, breathing your truth in and out, softly and naturally. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.